Okay, please join me here in the middle. Careful, ayan. Hi, what's your name? Okay, so ilang taon ka na? How old are you?
4.
4, okay. So, ano yung ipapakita mong talent for us this afternoon? Sasayaw ka ba or kakanta? Sasayaw. So, ano nararamdaman mo? Kinakabahan ka ba or excited ka mag-perform? Excited na siya. So, let's give it up for contestant number 33.
Isa.